Okay, 20th one. Now, this is it'll take bit time consuming question. A detector measures the count rate from the sample of a radioactive nuclide. The graph shows the variation with the time of the count rate. Nuclide has a half-life of 20 seconds. 20 seconds is where? 20 seconds is here. Let us draw a line here and then draw one more line here. Now it is 11 here. Okay. Now see, the initial count is 19, but here it is 11 here. So if the initial count was 19, in one half life, this should have become something like 9.5, but here on 11 over here. That means there's something related to this. Okay, let us read. What is the average background count rate? Okay, so which means why does this discrepancy arise? The discrepancy arises because we have ignored the background radiation, right, while doing this calculation. Now what we will do is let us add the background radiation by trial and error. If I consider background radiation as 1 unit here, I am going to subtract this also by 1 unit over here, right? Which means now if 19 minus 1 is the actual count because I am applying this one here. So as a result of this, this should now be in one half life. This should have become something like, where is it now? 19 minus 1 should be here. So it should be 10 should be your background here, right? So the curve would look like this over here. The curve would have been looked like this over here, touching this point over here like this. Okay, ignoring the background. So as a result of it, it should be 10. So hence what I am going to do here, I am going to write 2 times 11 minus 1. Okay, if this was true. Okay, so but is it true here? Here I am getting 18 and here I am getting 20. So this is not true. So this is not the correct background. Let us take up this value here, right? 2 units, which should be 19 minus 2 should be equal to 2 times. Since I have subtracted 2 here, assumed 2 as your background count, I will subtract 2 here also here, which means what? Here 1, here 1. So which means now the new curve will start from here and go like this and then meet like this over here, right? So which should now be equal to what? This should be 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2. Is this right now? 19 minus 2 is 17. This should be 11 minus 2 is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. This is also incorrect. Let us look at the third one here. Third one, where is it? 17 and here it is 16. So this curve should go like this, like this, like this, like this and touch this point over here. Because I have subtracted 3 counts here, I should subtract 3 counts here also. So which should be 19 minus 3 should be equal to 2 times 11 minus 3. Which should be equal to how much? 11 minus 3 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 19 minus 3 is also 16. So this is the right one. So thus the answer is 3 per second. 3 per second should be your background count rate. Okay. So this is how you solve a problem. There is no mathematical direct relationship here. You need to do it only with your trial and error method. Okay. Let us move on to the next question, which is 21st